So, you want to run Red Dead Redemption 2 in ultra graphics settings. You have to first open RDR2 and go to Settings, then choose Graphics. Make sure your PC meets or exceeds the recommended specs, which are a high-end GPU like RTX 3070 or 4070 or higher, but at least 16 gigabytes RAM. Set texture quality, water quality, shadow quality, reflection quality, and TAA to ultra. Keep resolution scaling at 100% or higher. Then enable VSync if the screen steering occurs. Adjust advanced graphics like near, far volumetric quality, and lighting quality to ultra as well. And last, apply changes and restart the game if required. And that's it.